Imagine turning your boring walls into a lush green paradise. Creating an impressive vertical garden is easy now using our Italian-style wall pot holders. Here are some fantastic ideas to make the most of our wall pot holders. Create a living wall. Use a variety of plants like ferns, succulents and trailing flowers for added texture and visual appeal. They're ideal for anyone from those growing on a balcony to those with a vegetable garden who want to attract pollinators. Use a wall pot holder either side of a window or doorway to add vibrance to your home. Perfect to neatly showcase your potted plants. How about a space-saving herb garden? Limited on room but still want to grow your own herbs? No problem. For a quick gardening hack, drop supermarket living herbs into a wall pot holder to create your very own kitchen herb garden. Perfect for a patio or in urban gardens with less space. Create an indoor oasis and improve air quality by using our tool wall pot holders to house air purifying plants such as spider plants, ferns and ivy. Move easily between the seasons. It's easy to take pots indoors if your plants need some warmth over the winter, or simply swap plants to completely refresh your display of flowers or herbs. Our wall pot holders are durable, easy to install and ready to help you transform any space into a stunning green oasis. Say goodbye to those plain old walls and hello to your new vibrant vertical garden. Don't wait. Visit our shop via the link below to get your wall pot holders. Share your transformations using #MyVerticalGarden. And continue watching for more exciting ideas from Haxnicks.